Okay, so now you want to know, all right, how can I get these charts? How can I trade this? What is my next step here to be able to use what I just learned? Well, you've got a couple of different options. If you're brand new and you're just getting started here, you've got a couple different options for charts. Some people use Macs and therefore NinjaTrader doesn't work on Macs, or some people have a little bit slower computers as far as setting up Ninja and having a bunch of charts. But you've got a couple options. You can go to the Elite. If you're on the Apex website, you can go to the Elite tab and you can enter the Elite Trade Room. Okay, and if you've seen the Elite Trade Room, you've got several different tabs. You've got the chat tab here with traders discussing trades all day long and back and forth and posting charts, showing trades, asking questions. Just great community to be in there. Tons of action going on in the Elite Room all day long. Okay, you can also see that there are a bunch of different charts posted in the room, and these are normally posted in there 23 hours a day for you. Okay, and for example, right here, we've got some iZone sharpshooter charts posted in the room. All right, these are some of the FX pairs, the FX pairs and some FX futures. We've also got, let's see here, all of the U.S. indices, the Dow, the Russell, the S&P, gold, oil. All of these charts are posted in the room. Okay, so once you have signed up and you're all ready to go, you've watched the course and you want to get the charts, you can go into the Elite Room and see the charts right there. Okay, all you got to do is click on the room and log in, and there's your charts. Okay, and you can look at different charts all at once here, no problem at all. Okay, so if you want to get up and get going quickly, you can use those charts right away. Just with a few clicks of the button, you can have access to them. All right, now some people though do want to have their own charts, and they do want to set up NinjaTrader. We show you how to set up NinjaTrader absolutely free and get free live data and everything. There's a step-by-step course where I go through showing you exactly how to set up Ninja. It'll probably take you 25 or 30 minutes at the most to go through the entire course, set up Ninja, set up your data feeds. I walk you through step by step, click by click, having it all set up. So if you want to invest about 25 or 30 minutes of your time, you can have NinjaTrader set up and open your charts on your own at any time. Okay, and you can go under the Elite tab and Elite Education, and you will see setting up NinjaTrader and the Apex Toolkit, and that will be the step-by-step course that you can go through. I'll also put a link to that course here right next to this video here in this training module. Okay, now if you set up NinjaTrader, once you have NinjaTrader set up, all you need to do is, it's very simple. Okay, and you'll understand this more once you watch the course. It kind of shows you how to set all this up. So once you have it set up and you open up NinjaTrader and you connect to data, okay, let's just say for example you're connecting to your futures data here. All you have to do once you set everything up, as the course shows you, you'll go to File, New, and you're going to open a new chart. Okay, and I show you in that other course how to set up some instrument lists. You don't have to have near as many as I have, but let's just say for example that you want to trade the Dow. Okay, or maybe you want to trade oil or whatever it may be. Let's just say you want to trade the Dow, and you double click YM, that's the symbol for Dow, and you've selected that. Okay, now up here it says type. This is bar type. If you click on this, there's a drop down box. There's all kind of different bar types. You get minute bars and range bars. Well, again, for the iZone sharpshooter, we want to click continuum bars. Okay, continuum bars. And as a general guideline, if you're a Forex trader and you're trading Forex pairs, FX, what we use there for Forex pairs, like pound dollar, Aussie dollar, if you're trading currencies, we generally use 31260. Okay, for the bar sizes. Okay, if you're trading gold or if you're trading any commodities or any of the U.S. indices, what we use there in general is 8, 10, and 5. And if you remember, This is 8 ticks to make a new directional bar, or 10 ticks to make a opposite direction bar, and then give me a new bar every 5 minutes if those don't happen. Okay, so 3, 12, and 60 in general on Forex, 8, 10, and 5 in general on commodities or indices. If you ever have a question or you ever want to know what other people are using, all you can have to do is hop in the Elite Room and you can pull up one of those charts and you can go and look. 8, 10, 5, 8, 10, 5. Okay, what are they using on Forex? You can hop on over to Forex and see what they're using on Forex, on futures compared to Forex pairs, or so on. Now, throughout the year, with different implied volatility, different seasonality, markets can be moving more than others or less than other times of the year. Sometimes some people want to switch their bar types up, and over time you can play with that if you want. If the market's a little slower and you want to use smaller bar sizes to see about getting more entries, you can. If the market's going super crazy and you want to go a little bit bigger bar size or smooth it out, you can play with that and adjust it as seasonality adjusts, but most likely we'll be adjusting in the room here. Okay, but I don't suggest you play with that anytime soon. I suggest you go with what we have already selected there for you and suggested, and you can check in the forum or in the room from time to time to see if there's been any adjustments made to that. Okay, so all you have to do is select your instrument. For example, we're going to select the Dow, and we choose continuum bars. Again, we've got our drop down, we choose continuum bars, and for that we're going to put 8, 10, and 5. All you got to do is down here it says load the following chart template. You see that? You just click the drop down. What you're looking for is right here, iZone Sharpshooter Beginner. Okay, and you click OK. So remember, we went through trend flip, trend bands, trend catcher, MVP, trend R, iZones, ICE, deviation. You don't have to worry about all those indicators. You don't have to build a chart. You don't have to adjust colors and settings and add everything to the chart and make sure you have it right. All you got to do is select that beginner template and everything is done for you right there. And it literally is that easy to pop up a chart. Okay, you see that? It's not much work at all. Once you go through the 25 or 30-minute course and set up Ninja, you have Ninja. You can hop in at any time and say, okay, cool, I want to open a new chart and I want to trade the NASDAQ. I like the NASDAQ, so I'm going to select NQ. I'm going to make sure it's continuum bars. I'm going to do 8, 10, and 5. I'm going to go down here and select beginner template and hit OK. I don't have to build something. I don't have to spend hours and days understanding the chart and how to work NinjaTrader and how to work indicators and add stuff. You don't have to do any of that. You select it, hit the bars, select the template, and that's it. The template will pop up and you will have your chart all ready to go in front of you with everything. Depending on your computer, it might take a couple seconds for it to load, and then it pops right up and you've got everything on there ready to go. So once you invest that 25 or 30 minutes into the NinjaTrader video, it's that simple to open up a new chart and you have it ready to roll. Okay, and you can have more than one chart up. You can, if you're looking at two different charts, you can minimize one or downsize one and pop up the other one next to it here, and have a couple of different charts on your screen if you want to be watching more than one, or you can have a bunch of different charts, whatever you want. Maybe you have more than one screen. I suggest don't watch too many charts all at once because then you'll miss entries. But once you have Ninja set up, it really is that easy just to open up a chart and check it out. And the charts are also posted there in the rooms for you, as well as a backup. If you ever have computer problems or anything like that, you can hop on and see charts there as well. So those are the two ways that, now that you've watched the course and you understand the system, how you can get access to the charts and the templates. You can get them in just the next couple of minutes if you log right into the Elite Room, if you're a trial or paying member, or if you want to spend about 25 or 30 minutes, set up NinjaTrader, have it all on your own anytime.